Hey team, it's Julian Dougharty here. On today's Founders 5, I'm going to talk with you a little bit about the day in the life of Julian Dougharty. Over the last 2 years, I have spent day in and day out trying to put together DFS Marketing's Guaranteed Prospects to See program, trying to perfect it, trying to make it work, trying to get the appointments that we set for the agents to actually show up, trying not to double book the appointments, trying not to have our websites crashing, trying to not spend a fortune on the online advertising, trying not to get screwed over by the advertising companies that are running our ads to help generate our appointments for our agents. It has been, over the last 2 years, a major project, a major headache, but the good thing about it is that I am trying to create something unique for insurance agents who do business through DFS marketing on the annuity and life insurance side. And the unique thing is providing quality people to see and not charging an arm and a leg or even giving it to the agents for free. And over the last 3 months, we've had to completely revamp all of the marketing. I eliminated the old website that kept crashing and giving us problems. We had the website rebuilt using 2019 technology and speeds. I brought all the online advertising internally here to DFS, hired a social media strategist, hired computer engineers, upped our production, and we've redid the entire Guaranteed Prospects to See system. It's almost like, we're about to have, give birth, and hopefully, the baby, comes out with all 10 fingers. The baby doesn't have a giant head like myself, or the baby, comes out breathing and alive. Well, that's how it was over this weekend, turning our Guaranteed Prospects to See appointment system on. We have about 57 agents that have been waiting patiently for the last 2.5 months to get their appointments. I have been pushing, screaming, yelling, trying to get the computer department, the IT department, the online advertising. We wanted to make it right. The appointment scheduler, all the programming, the coding, it's just a long process, and we finally put it all together. And we turned the ads on Friday, and I was holding my breath. Please make sure this delivery goes good. And we turned it on, the appointments on Friday. I didn't see anything Friday night. I'm worried, I'm frantic, I'm stressed out. We did a media press. We're going live with our one-on-one appointments again. All you agents, you'll get your appointments, and nothing happened on Friday. I'm a little worried. Well, come Saturday, our first appointment comes in, and I was floating the river in San Antonio, and I saw my phone go off with the first appointment. I jumped out of that tube and jumped in the cold water, held my phone up, and was screaming out loud. And my wife's like, "What is it? What is it? What is it?" She's thinking I got bit by something, or got stung by a bee or something like that. But no, the one-on-one appointments. Our first appointment came in using our new system that we put together. And, I didn't see anything after that one appointment. I was thinking, oh no, it was just a fluke, we got this one. Well, another one came in about an hour later. And then another appointment came in about an hour later. And I'm still thinking, wow, that's not enough. I need in my mind, we need about 50 appointments per day. And come Sunday, we had probably another 10 appointments come in. And then Monday, we had another 15 appointments come in. So I'm thinking maybe we got 30 appointments come in. So it was remarkable. I'm so happy and glad that the new system that we put together is actually working. I spent probably $10,000 over the weekend to generate, the 30 appointments, which is very expensive. That's not how it's supposed to work. But when you're doing the beta testing, when you're doing the practicing to get it better, you got to revamp the ads, you got to do different placements, you got to use different systems. but at least we know that the guaranteed prospects to see one-on-one appointments work. And I was, dreaming about these appointments all weekend. I was dreaming that I'd wake up on Monday morning, Memorial Day, and look at my phone and see a whole 50 appointments. It didn't work that way, but that animal, that baby was delivered, had all its 10 fingers, 10 toes, and now we're hopefully waiting for that baby to start growing and get out of infant stage and become a toddler, and then a boy, and then a teenager, and then off to a full running adult annuity lead machine, generating prospects for the producers on a consistent basis anywhere in the United States of America at the drop of the dime. So the day in the life of Julian Dougharty was really stressful, and it's been really stressful over the last couple of years trying to put this guaranteed prospects to see in, but I'm surrounding myself with good people, surrounding myself with good hard workers that know what they're doing, and this is all coming alive. We appreciate it. If you're looking for some appointments, if you want to be part of the DFS Marketing's Guaranteed Prospects to See, feel free to give us a call. We look forward to working with you. Have a great day. Subscribe to my YouTube channel today to help you get informative, up-to-date information on the annuity and life insurance industry. Thank you.